Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download Geometry Dash APK. Now to download it, you can't simply download it on your iPhone device. No, you can't do that. You can't download any type of APK files on your iPhone. But if you are using Android, then there are various third-party services which helps you to provide the APK version of the file. Now if you are using Android, you may simply go on Google and you may also simply search Google. You may simply search Geometry Dash APK or mode version, and after that you may select which is the best option for you. So you may also select the option of the top which you think is good for you, and you may simply follow the process which is given on the certain website or the following page, and after following the certain page or website you may be able to download the Geometry Dash version, and you may also be able to create high score and complete the levels at very level. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. I simply mean that you can't download Geometry Dash APK on iPhone, but you may download it Android. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.